Hello, it's unboxing of UFC Undisputed 3 on Xbox 360. Just got it today, it's Saturday. Obviously it was out yesterday, but the post didn't bring it yesterday. I think a few people from UK didn't get it yesterday. Don't know if it was Royal Mail or whatever. I don't know, but I've got it now, so I'm happy. Obviously, it's took 2 years to make this. I think I heard somewhere it's 2 years in the making. Obviously there's Anderson Silva, and might be Damian Maia from UFC. Was it 111 or 112? Somewhere in there. Obviously features Pride mode, something that hasn't been on the UFC games, but I think it'd be a very good introduction. Well, it is a good introduction. The includes the fighter content, fighter pack, the contenders. What that means that they're fighting for probably the title sometime in their career. What? All of them on there. Was it Brian Stan, Jason Miller, Phil Davis, and Nick Diaz have all lost. So I think obviously it's not a contenders pack anymore, maybe, but obviously I'm looking forward to playing them, regardless of if they're in the top 10, top 20. I'm not interested. So yeah, so there's the back. Actually, I've been looking forward to this game for a while now, since it was announced. There's Mauricio Shogun Rua in Pride. I haven't got a clue who it might be. Might be actually Overeem on the floor, Overeem or something, because when he got knocked out he was there. So there's new takedowns, submissions, knockouts. Cain Velasquez, might be Shane, might be Dos Santos. That's Dos Santos, I think. It's got the bad boy thing. There's Pride, Vanderlei Silva, and don't know if that's Rampage Jackson. Was it Bob Sapos? I don't know. I don't know. And there's obviously the roster of 150 fighters. Obviously there's I think it's Cruz and Faber, Uriah Faber. So yeah, let's get on with this. Yep, right. If I can get out. Like that. It's gonna come out. I think it's gonna come out that way. Look at that. Didn't even have to rip it. Didn't have to. There it is. Yep. Obviously get the tape off after. Been enjoying Modern Warfare 3 at the moment. Obviously, I played Modern Warfare 3, didn't enjoy it. Went back to Black Ops, then went back to Modern Warfare 3, and I'm enjoying it now. So there's the contenders pack. I don't want to show much of that. Somebody might redeem it. I'll probably redeem it when I go on. If I can get this one off perfectly, come on. There we are. Didn't even have to rip it. Oh, perfect. Yeah. So there's the disc. I don't see the point of getting it out. See, there's the manual, and obviously there's the contenders pack. And I got out off Amazon, so I get like a Creator Fighter boost pack. I think I've got the idea. They've sent me the email for it. I'm surprised it's not actually 16, but the age limit. But yeah, it's just obviously the young fans like it. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I'll thanks to, I think it's 3G VVG or something, the Canadian lad what I know. He gave me a shout out on his unboxing of UFC. So thanks to him, he'll know when he views it. So thanks to him for giving me a shout out. He played EA Sports MMA back in, it was October when it was first out, yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of UFC Undisputed 3. Add me on Xbox Live if you want a game of this or whatever. It's Adam UFC 117. Yep, 117. So I hope you've enjoyed. See you soon. Oh, my next one will be Max Payne. So see you soon. Bye.